Hello everybody, Smilsy back again. I'm back with the retail basketball break. I got two of these 2014-15 Panini Threads blasters. Now, as you can see, these were $29.99 when they originally came out, and I picked these up for $12 each on eBay shipped. So, pretty good price drop. Tells you that they were a little overpriced when they came out. Now, each box has one mem card, and what I like about them is these two wood rookie cards. It was pretty cool looking. So, let's crack these open and see what we get. I really like opening up the hobby boxes of these. I think they're a good value for the price. So let's check out the retail version of it. I don't think there's any chance for autographs in these. I'm not sure though. No mention of it. Alright, just one thick pack. Let's bring the cards forward here. Record card, I won't look. Alright. Card 1, Tristan Thompson. There's a design in case you haven't seen it. Pretty simple back, a little foil at the bottom. Not the best. It has some good photography, but not a great design, I don't think. Young, Marion, Hibbert, Castell. Let's see. Walt Frazier, Brandon Knight, Jalen Fry, Jared Jack, Schrumpert, Gordon Hayward, Eric Gordon, and we got a backwards card. Oh, an autograph. Well, I said I wasn't sure if there's autographs, but there are. Aaron Gordon auto. Wow, nice surprise boomage there. Very cool. Signage. Nice. Rookie signage. Aaron Gordon. It is a sticker autograph, but pretty good looking auto there. Wow, I think I get my 12 bucks out of this one. Cool. Looky here. Robinson. Glenn Robinson III Threads cards. These are pretty cool. I like these. I'm not sure if there's much collectability on those, but I think they're pretty neat. Kind of different. We get a Dwight Howard insert. Inside Presents. We got McBuckets. Doug McDermott. Wood rookie. These are thicker cards. A little bit thicker. They're kind of neat. Kind of different. Jabari Parker. Rookie card. Very cool. And I still got my jersey card. Glenn Robinson III. Great value there. So I got autograph, jersey, two wood cards, and thread cards, and an insert. Wow. Great first blaster. I don't think second blaster has a chance to get any better than that. I cut it. That was a good blaster. Alright, blaster 2. Bring it forward again. Alright. Norris Noel, Keith Gilchrist, Morris, Leah. Yeah, Tim Duncan, Steve Blake, Larkin, Reggie Jackson, Dominique doing the windmill, DeRozan, Lillard, Chris Anderson, JJ Redick. Back around this way, I've got first insert, Rod Boone, Legends. Second insert, Mike Conley, Floor General. Towson Toolsome. LeBron and Kyrie, pretty cool card. First rookie card, Utah Jazz. And Gerald Stokes rookie card. And the hit, Marcus Smart. Not bad. Pretty good looking design on that. Good team colors. That's the back, not numbered. That's it for this break of 2014-15 Panini Threads retail. Pretty fun break. Pretty surprised by that auto hit. That's it for this break. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.